Good evening. Friends, this is the third and final part of the subject inflated energy bills received from MSEDC and other electric suppliers. Many people have been asking us that what is the solution for getting these inflated bills reduced from MSEDC. Whether they will really reduce the bills. You first arrange a meeting. We will put forth our grievances together. If we go in a group of 10-20 people, they will have to listen to us. All sorts of arguments the consumers are making in front of us, and hence we at Alert Citizens Forum have arranged about more than half a dozen meetings with MSEDC officials, personally at societies, with residents, and about half a dozen Zoom meetings with individual building consumers. Friends, from what we have understood so far is, and you very carefully listen to this, MSEDC officials have got no power to reduce your billing. MSEDC officials have got no power to defer the tariff hike which has happened on the 1st of April. At best, the MSEDC officials can do is they can give you an option to pay your bill in installments, in 3 installments, and they will not charge you interest for that. Then agitated members ask us, then what are they doing? See, you can't blame MSEDC officials. They are working in a system and they have to work as per the norms laid down by the system. What they say is, reduction is not in their authority, reduction of bills is not in their power. All they can do is rectify bills which have wrong reading or rectify bills where the calculations have gone wrong. If any bill has got these 2 discrepancies, they will jolly well rectify the bill. But if anybody goes with a hope that they are going to reduce your bill, they are not going to reduce the bills. Friends, I will request you one more thing. Just study your bill properly. Just don't say that I have got inflated bills. Go to the website of MSEDC, open the website, log in, and on the bottom right hand side you will see an Internet Explorer icon. Click on the icon and you will have a new page wherein MSEDC would have written a personal letter to you. You means all the consumers, and in that letter they have very lucidly explained how they have arrived at the bill which they have sent to you. Just go through that explanation, study that explanation, and still if you have any doubts or if you feel that your bill is wrong, as I have said, Alert Citizens Forum is already going to approach the Chief Minister with a petition received from thousands of consumers from Mumbai. Feel free to mail us your grievance or complaint. Thank you.